Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhargavi Raval and this video is about this beautiful wall mural which I painted in Rishikesh in one of my solo trip. So, recently I traveled to Rishikesh for almost 23 days on a solo trip, and I was staying for few days in this beautiful place called Mystic Cottage. It's my friend's place, and I painted this wall for his cottage. So first I did this illustration on the paper, and then I have put it on the wall. So one evening we just decided let's paint this wall. So it took me almost few hours to do the pencil work. Now since I didn't have all the right instruments, I have taken this glass to draw a circle, and just using whatever I had. That night we went and got the colors. Also the colors what I've used is tractor emulsion, an Asian paint thingy. And when I googled, they said that you need 1 gallon to do the whole wall, but no, when you're doing this kind of painting you don't even need 1/4 of a gallon. So I went ahead and bought two colors, yellow and red, and then I mixed it to make an orange, and of course white and black. These are the four colors which I used. This is the next morning I started painting it. I think I completed the whole paint in almost 3 days. I used to work few hours in the morning, afternoons were hot, so took a break in the afternoon and then did in the evening. So I think I took not more than 18 hours at the most. But I don't really have a count because half the time I was dancing and just having fun. So it was not full-fledged working thing. So the theme of this wall is this lady with the chakras. So there are 7 chakras. I've done the 6 chakras, and the 7 chakra, which is above the crown, is like this huge canopy of colors. So that's what I've done. It was really fun doing it, and I enjoyed it a lot. I thought I'll be able to do it in a 2 days time, but the coloring was very tedious. Of course, I've learned many things while coloring. There are few mistakes which I did. There are certain things which next time when I do, I will improvise, because this is the first time I'm doing such a big painting. I've done, I think the first wall painting I did was almost 20 years back for one of my boutique. That was 2002 or 1, I think. Yeah, that was my first boutique, and I painted a beautiful wall. Again, I remember it was with this similar bright colors. So this is day 1. I started coloring the base first, very roughly done. So I'm covering up the whole basic colors. It's almost night, and that's my friend Shilpa. She's helping me. She's one of the 2 girls who were staying in this beautiful cottage. Uh, if you're going to Rishikesh and if you want to stay, please check out Mystic Cottage. He's my friend Dharma's place. This place is my friend Dharma's place, and I think he's got 3-4 beautiful cottages, and hopefully very soon it will be a 4th one also. So next day I started doing the black outline. Now this is where I miscalculated the timing, because black outline was the most tedious thing, and it took lots and lots of hours. But it was fun. I thoroughly enjoyed doing this, and I had amazing company. I had amazing music. So it was, and I really love illustrating. And when you do what you love doing, it is not like a labor. So once my base was done, uh, I had already pre-decided what color combinations I wanted to do. So then it was, I knew where all what I will paint. But of course I improvised, like this thing what I've written is lose yourself to find your soul. It's a beautiful words which I really resonate. And it means that if you really want to find your spiritual self, you want to find your soul, you need to lose your ego. And another thing what I've written is just be. And that is one of Muji Baba's teaching, where you don't really want anything, you're not expecting anything, you're just happy being. How the tree is always happy, just being there. Believe me, it's a very, very happy feeling. Another thing what I've written is your your urge to control life controls you. That's also a beautiful saying of I have read somewhere. And yeah, we feel that we are controlling life, and believe me, once you start flowing, let the life flow through you, and it becomes so easy and it becomes so fun. So that was what is written. Another thing what I've written is live life as if everything is rigged in your favor. And I strongly believe it, because since you're not controlling life, you're letting the life to control you, then you might as well live as if it's rigged in your way, because you are God's favorite. So that's it. The whole painting is done. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making this video. Believe me, it was so much of fun. Rishikesh itself is one of my favorite places. And next time when you're visiting, and if you're staying with Mystic Cottage, please tag me on your Insta and let me know how did you like this painting. And this is all about the way we had fun. It was amazing. It was a madhouse. It was all fun and dancing.
Hari Govinda Jaya Jaya. ये पूरा है पूरा एरिया पूरा एरिया